Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the dispenser trim in a Hotpoint refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver and a putty knife. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new dispenser trim. The dispenser trim serves an aesthetic purpose. It makes the whole dispenser opening look better. The main reason why it would need to be replaced is if it cracked and no longer stays in place or is missing. There are two small slots at the bottom of the trim. Insert the flat blade screwdriver into the slots and pry open the tabs. Then insert the putty knife under the trim on the sides and slightly push it in, finding the posts. Simultaneously pull on the trim. Go around the trim and free all the tabs. Then you can remove the trim. This is the old dispenser trim next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Match the tabs and the holes in the door and install the new trim. Push it in to lock the tabs. And plug the refrigerator in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.